चल हो जा शुरू।
केसरिया से मन जोगी हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे।
हर पल मनाओ केसरी त्योहार। विमल, बोलो जुबान केसरी।
All right, so Isha, we have to cut across to this live visual which is coming in. Now, this is the Kanchenjunga Express. The Kolkata-bound Kanchenjunga Express was hit by a goods train in West Bengal Siliguri area. Those visuals coming in. And this Kanchenjunga Express was bound for Kolkata Sialda station, was hit by a goods train. We're still waiting for updates on whether there have been any casualties, but we can tell you, viewers, that many people have been injured in this unfortunate incident. Those visuals coming in, viewers, and the train was on its way to Sialda station in Kolkata. The accident occurred soon after departure from New Jalpaiguri. The train was hit by a goods train from behind, causing derailment. Those visuals are coming in, and the accident had happened in an area between Rangapani and Nijburi stations. The impact caused two bogies of the Kanchenjunga Express to derail, leading to fears of severe injuries among many passengers. I just want to go across to Kishile, who's joining us. Kishile, severe derailment on the screens. These are live visuals coming in for our viewers. What is the state of the rescue operations? Where does it stand right now? Do we know that in terms of casualties, do we have any numbers so far?
Well, Shivangi, we don't have any exact numbers about casualties, but as we can see the visuals, there is a possibility, there's a fear that there could be a large number of casualty. At least many people could be injured, because this train, which was coming from North Bengal to South Bengal, this was coming from Jalpaiguri to Sialda, and this train is very popular among the tourists and people who go for vacation in North Bengal in the hills. Now, they were returning in this particular train. While they were returning in an area between Rangapani and Nijobadi station in North Bengal, there was a goods train that came in the same track and slammed this passenger train, Kanchenjunga Express, from behind. As soon as that collision happened, that extreme collision happened, 2 or 3 of the bogies, coaches of the Kanchenjunga Express got derailed, and this goods train almost climbed over the Kanchenjunga Express. Now, according to sources, the passenger of the driver of the goods train is feared dead. According to sources, this is not confirmed report from the railways, and according to sources, local sources, people, passengers inside the passenger train might be also severely injured. Some might be dead even. This is the fear. We don't have confirmed report. The Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee has tweeted already about the derailment of this train. We can go for the live visual.
हम लोग नमाज पढ़ के बाहर निकले तो हम लोग को मतलब खबर आया कि हमारे यहाँ 2 किलोमीटर अंदर एक ट्रेन दुर्घटना हुई है। तो हम लोग जो है मतलब इसको तो लाइव नहीं देखा, हम लोग सुना, फिर जाकर मतलब जब हम लोग को पता चला, फिर हम लोग यहाँ स्पॉट आके देख रहे हैं। ये तो जो है बहुत,
क्या देख रहे हैं आप, क्या नजर
यहाँ तो मतलब जो है एक ट्रेन शायद खड़ी हुई थी और एक ट्रेन आगे जो है इनसे टकरा गई शायद।
एक ही लाइन पे, एक ही पटरी पे था?
जी 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 हाँ, एक ही पटरी पे शायद एक ट्रेन खड़ी थी या जा रही थी, शायद स्लो थी, और मतलब एक ट्रेन आ रही थी, आके जो है मतलब ऐसी दुर्घटना हुई है शायद।
तो कितने लोगों की मौत हुई है, कुछ खबर आपको मिला है?
वो तो पता नहीं, मतलब 1-2 जो है डेड बॉडी मैंने अभी देखा है जो है। हाँ,
लोकोमोटिव जो है वो भी बॉडी अटका हुआ है अभी भी?
हाँ, वहाँ एक लोको पायलट जो है वहाँ तो अभी अटकी हुई है वहाँ पे भी।
अच्छा जी, तो अभी क्या अभी रेस्क्यू ऑपरेशन स्टार्ट हुआ है?
जी, अभी हम लोग देख रहे हैं, मतलब उतने सारे अभी नहीं है। यहाँ जो लोकल पब्लिक है ना, यहाँ का जो लोकल पब्लिक है बहुत हेल्प की है। यहाँ के लोकल पब्लिक को बहुत धन्यवाद कहना चाहूँगा।
पब्लिक अगर नहीं होता तो रेस्क्यू।
नाम बताइए।
हमारा नाम MD यूनुस।
क्या हुआ था दादा, क्या आपको क्या पता चला है?
क्या पता चला, अभी तो एक्सीडेंट हुई तो सब लोग देख रहे हैं सुबह से। अभी तो रेल की तरफ से कोई रेस्क्यू टीम नहीं आया है, अभी पब्लिक लोग ही सब कर रहा है।
कितने पैसेंजर्स हताहत हुआ है इसमें?
अभी तो हिसाब से 50-60 तो हुआ है।
अच्छा।
और भी ज्यादा हो सकता है।
अच्छा, तो
डेड बॉडी भी बहुत निकला है, अभी तो लोकल लोग ही सब कर रहा है।
अच्छा, तो कोई रेस्क्यू ऑपरेशन स्टार्ट हुआ है अभी तक?
अभी तो हम लोग नहीं दिख रहा है, अब लोग दिखाए। हाँ दिख रहा है।
कैसे हुआ एक्सीडेंट? कुछ
ऐसे तो कोई मालूम नहीं कैसे होगा, अभी तो देख ही तो रहा है सब कैसे हुआ
कोई
है।
आवाज?
अचानक आवाज हुआ। हम लोग गाँव के हम लोग गाँव से आए हैं।
We're getting those reactions and eyewitnesses who are speaking on this train accident which took place. Kishan, I'm coming back to you right now. Take us through the latest update coming in.
टाइम हो रहा था अप्रॉक्स 8:35 मॉर्निंग। तो जितना हम लोग को पता चला, सामने कंचना जो एक्सप्रेस है वो धीरे गति से चल रहा था, वो खड़ा नहीं था, धीरे गति चल रहा था। पीछे से जो मालगाड़ी है वो अचानक बहुत स्पीड से था, वो आके पीछे से मार दिया उसको।
तो क्या एक ही ट्रैक पे हुआ है?
एक ही ट्रैक पे दो ट्रेन एक ही ट्रैक पे आ गया।
तो उसके बाद क्या हुआ? मतलब
अचानक देखिए इतना आवाज हुआ था, यहाँ पे जो लोकेलिटी जितना सब है सब आके रेस्क्यू ऑपरेशन में लग गया। स्पॉट डेड हम लोगों को जितना पता चला 5-6 जन यहाँ पे रेस्क्यू किया गया है। अभी भी अब देख सकते हैं कि अभी जस्ट नाउ एक जन को रेस्क्यू करके गया, बट उतने जो टीम होना चाहिए मेडिकल टीम, उतना अभी तक मेडिकल टीम आगे पहुँचा नहीं एट टाइम में। और अभी भी आप देख रहे हैं ट्रेन का जो पायलट है अभी अटक गया है, उनको अभी रेस्क्यू करना पड़ेगा। अभी तो हाँ उनका मौत हो, स्पॉट डेड हो गया उनको। धन्यवाद।
Well, exactly, you heard there Shivangi, he was saying very clearly, the eyewitness was saying very clearly that many dead bodies are there. The locals are helping with the rescue operation. They are saying that the rescue team of the state or the railway did not arrive yet and the locals are helping. They're also saying the locomotive pilot of the goods rail, the goods train is already dead. They are saying many are injured as well. Now, we are also getting information here. From the railways that 3 coaches of the Kanchenjunga Express which met with this accident. One of it was a luggage coach, one was a general coach, and one was a SLR coach. Within the general coach or general bogie, there were several passengers, and that is a cause of fear because those passengers who were inside the general coach or general bogie which got derailed might be severely injured. A few might be dead as well. This is the fear. We are hoping that doesn't happen, but this is information according to sources. Also, the locals were saying that rescue teams did not arrive yet. However, Mamata Banerjee tweeted a while ago, West Bengal Chief Minister, and she said that rescue teams have been sent on war footing. Doctors and other teams are also being sent, but the locals are saying that team did not reach yet. The locals are helping with the rescue operation. A goods train came from behind and slammed this Kanchenjunga Express which was standing on its track. That is what the locals are saying. Shivangi.
Kishore is getting us top updates coming in. It's a very unfortunate incident. Kishore, we have to talk about what is happening on the ground right now. Especially, we see that apparently, according to what Bengal CM Mamata Banerjee has said, that the disaster response team has reached the spot. But what's the ground reality? The locals are saying that some of the response team members have not reached yet. If you could take our viewers through the top updates from the ground.
Well, Shivangi, this area which we are talking about between the Rangapani and Nijobari station area, this is a hilly area. This is the north of Bengal. Mostly the train which we are talking about, this carries tourists from south of Bengal to the hills and bring them back to South Bengal, Kolkata, Howrah, all these districts. Now this train is very popular. It's mostly full when it's going and coming back. So this train which was coming back from Jalpaiguri to the south of Bengal, which is Shialda in Kolkata, this train might be quite full, and when this train the coaches got derailed, one of the fear is that the number of casualties could be high, and the locals were also saying, the eyewitnesses were also saying that we saw many dead bodies around, we saw many injured people around. They're also saying that the rescue team did not arrive yet and the locals are helping with the rescue operation. Now I'll repeat what CM Mamata Banerjee has tweeted. She has tweeted, shocked to learn just now about a tragic train accident in Phanchidawa area of Darjeeling district. She's saying while details are awaited, Kanchenjunga Express has reported reportedly been hit by a goods train. DM, SP, doctors, ambulances and disaster teams have been rushed to the site for rescue, recovery, medical assistance. Action on war footing initiated. Now what's happening actually on the ground? Locals are saying not much happening on the ground, and locals are helping with the whole rescue operation. Also, we are getting to know, I'll repeat for the viewers, for our viewers, that there are three coaches that got derailed, 3 bogies that got derailed of this Kanchenjunga Express that we are talking about, and one is a luggage coach, luggage bogie, which had luggages in it. One was a general bogie, general coach, which is usually full of passengers, and one was a SLR coach, which is usually behind at the back of the train. Now, the train which came from behind, the goods train that came and slammed this train, now investigation has to be carried out about how these 2 trains were on the same track at one hand. On the other hand, they were so close to each other that the train from behind came and slammed the train in front. Why this whole incident happened, what was happening with the signals, that's the question. Now, additional information coming from the ground that the 3 coaches that has been derailed, one of the coaches climbed on another coach, which is making the rescue operation even more difficult. The person who was driving, the driver, the loco pilot who was driving the locomotive behind, which is the goods train, the engine of the goods train, is feared dead already. He had a helper. That person is also feared dead. But these reports or these information has not been confirmed by the railways. So these are source-based information from the ground, as we were hearing from the eyewitnesses as well. They were very clearly saying that we saw many dead bodies, but we did not see any rescue team as of yet. So when the teams will arrive is a question, and what number of casualties is also a question, but many are feared already dead and injured. Shivangi.
Those visuals are coming in for our viewers. This is the information booth which has been set up in stations. We can see that many are concerned, and looks like a lot of passengers, family members and kin, they are trying to get information about their loved ones, and they're talking to the media as well. Let's listen in.
পোস্টাল ডিপার্টমেন্ট আছে না ওখানে
কি নাম আপনার
আমার নাম শাশ্বতী দাস
এই খোল দিজে তো গুরুদা
We are seeing that a lot of loved ones of the passengers, they're trying to find information, and we have, for our viewers, we have the helpline number. They can call on that number and find out if their loved ones were traveling on the same train. Also, I'm coming back to you right now, Kaushल्या. If you could take our viewers through the other details, will it affect the routes of other trains? Is it causing a kind of a bottleneck now because of this derailment?
Yes, it did. Yes, it did, Shivangi. Very important question. Now, the problem is that this is the main line between the whole area, from North Bengal to South Bengal, Shialda to New Jalpaiguri. This is the main primary line which was connecting these 2 areas of South Bengal and North Bengal. Now, a train derailment accident in this line would obviously cause a stagnation of the whole flow of these trains between these 2 stations and the whole route. Now, we are not getting to exactly know what number of trains are already stuck or are running late or are cancelled, because the railway has not come up with an official statement as of yet. The railway has come up with a statement saying that there is an initial report of train derailment and accident. However, the number of casualties are awaited. But reports from the spot, as we can see the visuals as well, and as we can see the locals are also saying that the whole area is kind of that particular area where the accident has happened. Many of the bogies have fallen out of the track, so those bogies needs to be removed if the operation of railway needs to be continued in that particular track. Also, one bogie has climbed on the other. Also, the locomotive of the goods train behind the Kanchenjunga Express is completely shattered and destroyed. Now, all these trains, all these bogies, coaches needs to be removed, people needs to be rescued who are still stuck inside. All these needs to happen. Now, when exactly that will happen is a question. Also, also we are getting to know that there has been several helpline numbers and help desk numbers that has been set up. There are help desks at Shialda right now. In Jalpaiguri also additional help desk has been set up. There are helpline numbers that we are also flashing in where people can call and find out if their loved ones, as you were rightly saying, are okay right now or not. Now the information is that the people who are the passengers who are in the bogies in front of the train or in the middle of the train, they are safe. They could be rescued or they could escape the whole situation. But the bogies behind, the 3 bogies at the back of the Kanchenjunga Express, those are the most affected. 3 of these bogies have been derailed. They have fallen out of the track, 2 of these bogies, and 1 has climbed on the other bogies as well. One was a general coach. A general coach usually carries about 100 and 150 passengers. So what happened to them exactly, we are awaiting a statement from the now we are getting information. Shivangi, hold on for a second. We are getting some primary information that container train overshooted signal and hit rear portion of Kanchenjunga Express. This is a source based information. The containers train, the goods train might have overshooted a signal. That's a big news. That's a breaking. Also, second information is that Kanchenjunga coach has 2 parcel van and guard coach in rear. So there was a guard coach also, SLR coach. We were talking about this. NDRF divisional team and 15 ambulances have already reached the site. These are all new information. If we can flash these information on the grid as well. NDRF divisional team and 15 ambulances reached the site, and ministers have reached the war room. The ministers of West Bengal have reached the war room, and according to sources, probability of 2 deaths. This is source based information. So there, number one breaking is that the container train might have overlooked the signal. That can be one reason. And also we are getting to know that there are already 15 ambulances, NDRF team, divisional team, railway team at the spot, and ministers are overlooking the whole operation from the war room, and there is a probability of 2 people already who died. That's a probability. One of the person is the driver of the locomotive coach. We have to see what comes more. So these are source based information that's coming in. Shivangi.
Right. Well, Krishna, we're getting those visuals coming in for our viewers. Now, you have taken us through the latest information on the story. Looks like there could be a possibility that there are 2 casualties, and 15 ambulances have now reached the site. NDRF team, divisional team at the site. Ashwani Vaishnav has also gone on X and put up a post. I'll just read that post out for our viewers. We're getting some more reactions. Let's go to that first.
आगे का इंजन है, वहाँ पे गैस कटर लगेगा, आरपीएफ भी आ गए, हम लोग लोकल पीएस से आ गए, ठीक है।
डेथ कैजुअलिटी कितनी हुई है?
अभी तक जो हिसाब है 5 हुआ है, ठीक है।
और कितने लोग की मौत हुई है?
5 का मौत हुआ है अभी तक, ठीक है।
इंजर्ड हुआ है?
इंजर्ड अभी तक 25 to 30 nearly, but the injuries are not fatal. We have already rescued them with their luggages. एवं एखाने हम लोग लोकल का एम्बुलेंस भी हम लोग अरेंज कर चुके हैं, ठीक है। वो जो पैसेंजर्स हैं हम लोग उन लोगों को बाहर निकाल के एक यहाँ पे एक मदरसा में कैंप भी सेटअप किया है, वहाँ पे लेके जा रहे हैं, और वहाँ से फिर आगे बास लेके एनजेपी तक लेके जा रहे हैं।
कैसे हुआ था सर? इंसिडेंट कैसे हुआ था?
इंसिडेंट पीछे से मालगाड़ी आके ये कांचनजंगा जो एक्सप्रेस है, मालदा कांचनजंगा एक्सप्रेस है, इसको पीछे से कॉलिशन हो गया, ठीक है।
उसके बाद भी ये इंसिडेंट हुआ?
या
सर आपका
मैं दार्जिलिंग।
और आपका नाम सर?
अभिषेक।
All right, so we just got some information coming in where we're coming to know that it's a possibility that 5 people have lost their lives in this unfortunate incident and 25 to 30 could be injured. These are initial figures that we are learning of. I just want to go across to all the eyewitnesses. They speak about when this accident happened and what they saw.
जब हम लोग नमाज पढ़ के बाहर निकले तो हम लोग को मतलब खबर आया कि हमारे यहाँ 2 किलोमीटर अंदर एक ट्रेन दुर्घटना हुई है। तो हम लोग जो है मतलब इसको तो लाइव नहीं देखा, हम लोग सुना, फिर जाकर मतलब जब हम लोग को पता चला फिर हम लोग यहाँ स्पॉट आके अभी देख रहे हैं। यहाँ तो मतलब जो है एक ट्रेन शायद खड़ी हुई थी और एक ट्रेन आके जो है इनसे टकरा गई शायद।
एक ही लाइन पे, एक ही पटरी पे था?
जी हाँ, एक ही पटरी पे शायद एक ट्रेन खड़ी थी या जा रही थी, शायद स्लो थी, और मतलब एक ट्रेन आ रही थी, आके जो है मतलब ऐसी दुर्घटना हुई है शायद।
क्या पता चला, अभी तो एक्सीडेंट हुआ ही तो सब लोग देख रहे हैं। सुबह से अभी तो रेल की तरफ से कोई रेस्क्यू टीम नहीं आया है। अभी पब्लिक लोग ही सब कर रहा है।
कितने पैसेंजर्स हताहत हुआ है इसमें?
अभी तो हिसाब से 50-60 तो हुआ है और भी ज्यादा हो सकता है।
अच्छा,
डेड बॉडी भी बहुत निकला है। अभी तो लोकल लोग ही सब कर रहा है।
अच्छा, तो कोई रेस्क्यू ऑपरेशन स्टार्ट हुआ है
अभी तो हम लोग नहीं दिख रहा है। अब लोग दिखाए। हाँ, दिख रहा है।
कैसे हुआ एक्सीडेंट? कुछ
ऐसे तो कोई मालूम नहीं कैसे होगा। अभी तो देख ही तो रहा है सब कैसे हुआ है। अचानक आवाज हुआ। हम लोग गाँव के हम
अचानक देखिए इतना आवाज हुआ था यहाँ पे जो लोकेलिटी जितना सब है सब आके रेस्क्यू ऑपरेशन में लग गया। स्पॉट डेड हम लोग को जितना पता चला 5-6 जन यहाँ पे रेस्क्यू किया गया है।
देखिए अभी तो कोई कॉल नहीं आया। अभी 2 महिलाएं आई थी, वो पता की उनके आरएमएस में लोग थे। ठीक है, जो कोचेस की बात है तो पार्सल, एसएलआर और जीएस अभी तक जो सूचना मिली है, ये 3 कोचेस जो है क्षतिग्रस्त हुए हैं। और कितने क्षतिग्रस्त हुए अनुमान तो लगाना अभी मुश्किल है। ठीक है,
I want to go back to Krishalay right now. Krishalay, I'm coming across to you. We have got some information that it's a possibility that 25 to 30 people could be injured and 5 deaths could have transpired here. Now, these are initial numbers coming in. What are you learning of in terms of the numbers?
Well, Shivangi, very unfortunate to say that these passengers were mostly tourists and who were returning, and 2 of them are also probably who have died are also the one who were driving the locomotive coach behind. Now, this is a railway statement that I am reading out. This is a railway statement that has been given out. Container train overshooted signal and hit rear portion of Kanchenjunga train. So this is confirmed that the container train, the goods train, had overshooted a signal which caused this accident. If it would not have overshooted the signal, probably this would not have happened. Kanchenjunga coach has 2 parcel van and guard coach in rear. This is also a railway statement. NDRF divisional team and 15 ambulances reached the site. Minister also in war room. So Ashwini Vaishnav, the railway minister, is right now in the war room taking a stock of the situation and managing the whole rescue operation. And the railway statement is probability of 2 deaths. But we heard the rescue team and the cops who are right now in that particular location who are helping with the rescue operation. That person right now confirmed that 5 dead bodies have already been recovered, and this is the initial phase of rescue operation. It will go on for some time now. So we have to see exactly what number of people, what number of passengers might be dead. We are hoping, praying that this number does not grow, does not increase. But right now the number is 5 according to the rescue team, and the number is 2 of the number of deaths are 2 according to the railway official statement. Also, there are additional reinforcement of NDRF and rescue teams. Ashwini Vaishnav, the rail minister, has tweeted already about the unfortunate incident, and you were reading out the tweet. He already confirmed that NDRF, SDRF teams have been deployed, railway divisional teams have been deployed. CM Mamata Banerjee is also taking a stock of the situation and overlooking about the same. But the whole area where this accident has occurred, it looks quite bad, because most of the coaches which were behind the particular Kanchenjunga Express which was involved in this accident is completely shattered, derailed. One coach has climbed over the other. So very tragic incident. What number of casualties? It's increasing, but we hope that it doesn't increase. But for now, it's 5 according to the rescue team and 2 according to the railway official statement. Shivangi.
Krishalay, it's very unfortunate. The numbers coming in are at 5 when it comes to casualties. Very, very unfortunate. And this is the initial phase of the rescue operations. The Kanchenjunga Express is used by tourists. Usually they travel in this train to Darjeeling, and we are in the middle of the summer season. So many tourists, like you were saying, could be traveling to the hill stations. And this is when this tragic accident had transpired in the morning today. Let's go ahead and hear out what the police is saying. The police is giving out some numbers and facts.
स्थिति अभी थोड़ा गंभीर है। ये आप देख रहे हैं कांचनजंगा एक्सप्रेस है। ये पीछे यहाँ पे खड़ा था और पीछे से एक मालगाड़ी आके उसको ठोक दिया। 3 बॉगी अभी तक डिरेल्ड हुआ है 5 फैटल्टी हुआ है, कैजुअलिटी हुआ है 5, अभी तक हम रेस्क्यू कर लिया है। और मालगाड़ी का जो आगे का इंजन है वहाँ पे गैस कटर लगेगा, आरपीएफ भी आ गया है, हम लोग लोकल पीएस से आ गए हैं। 5 का मौत हुआ है अभी तक, ठीक है।
इंजर्ड हुआ है?
इंजर्ड अभी तक 25 to 30 नियरली, बट द इंजुरीज आर नॉट फैटल। We have already rescued them with their luggages এবং এখানে हम लोग लोकल का एम्बुलेंस भी हम लोग अरेंज कर चुके हैं, ठीक है। वो जो पैसेंजर्स हैं हम लोग उन लोग को बाहर निकाल के एक यहाँ पे एक मदरसा में कैंप भी सेटअप किया है, वहाँ पे लेके जा रहे हैं और वहाँ से फिर आगे बास लेके एनजीपी तक लेके जा रहे हैं। स्थिति अभी थोड़ा गंभीर है। ये आप देख रहे हैं कंचनजंगा एक्सप्रेस है, ये पीछे यहाँ पे खड़ा था और पीछे से एक मालगाड़ी आके उसको ठोक दिया। 3 बॉगी अभी तक डिटेल्ड हुआ है, 5 फैटल्टी हुआ है, कैजुअलिटी हुआ है 5, अभी तक हम रेस्क्यू कर लिया है। और मालगाड़ी का जो आगे का इंजन है वहाँ पे गैस कटर लगेगा, आरपीएफ भी आ गया है, हम लोग लोकल पीएस से आ गए हैं। 5 का मौत हुआ है अभी तक, ठीक है।
इंजर्ड हुआ है?
इंजर्ड अभी तक 25 to 30 नियरली, बट द इंजुरीज आर नॉट फैटल। We have already rescued them with their luggages এবং এখানে हम लोग लोकल का एम्बुलेंस भी हम लोग अरेंज कर चुके हैं, ठीक है। वो जो पैसेंजर्स हैं हम लोग उन लोग को बाहर निकाल के एक यहाँ पे एक मदरसा में कैंप भी सेटअप किया है, वहाँ पे लेके जा रहे हैं और वहाँ से फिर आगे बास लेके एनजीपी तक लेके जा रहे हैं।
Kishore, the police officials' bite gives us an insight into what the numbers are looking like, and the extremely unfortunate news coming in that 5 people could be dead, around 30 injured in the train mishap. But let's take our viewers through some of the information coming in terms of how this accident happened. The container train had overshot the signal and hit the rear portion of Kanchenjunga Express. Do we know how did this mishap happen? Usually there's a mechanism to prevent these kind of accidents happening.
Yeah, exactly, Shivangi. Now, there's a mechanism in railway since long to stop these kind of accidents, which automatically stops the train from coming from behind. But exactly what happened here is a question, because railway is confirming, this is a railway statement, they are confirming that the train behind was not following the signal that was behind. So there was a red signal which the train behind should have followed, it should have stopped. But it did not. It overshot the signal. Also, one factor that is here, we have to consider here, is that the area is hilly. But not exactly in the hills, but it is just in the particular area. We have to understand that while coming down from the hills to the south of Bengal, this is the area where these 2 stations were there. So exactly what happened, if there was any problem with visibility, is also a question, but it should not be like that because it is summers right now. So there are back-to-back breakings coming in, and also the number of deaths is 5 according to the locals. We will get more breakings and more updates about the train accident in north of Bengal. We will be coming back after a short break. Keep watching Republic TV.